All right, so this is day 3. This is the last day, thank goodness. We started out today with the last handful of the limited editions with the personalized messages. That was cool, knocked those out. Then we finished up the last handful of bound copies that were here. The problem was, at that point, we were still a bit short. We were like 1,500 short for what we really wanted to have, which includes having some signed books that we can throw straight into the warehouse so that we can offer signed copies as well as regular copies after they start shipping. So we needed more. We didn't have any more bound books on hand, so instead we, at that point, transferred to sheets, just what they call the signature, ironically, which I'm citing, but the 8 pages on the front, 8 pages on the back, uncut sheet. And we got a gigantic stack of those, which comprise really the entirety of the rest of the print run. And I signed probably 60% of them, so about 2,500 more, which is going to cover everything that we need for fulfillment initially, plus having a nice stock in the warehouse so we can sell them after the initial fulfillment. And that covers at least a couple hundred additional for scrap. Because in the printing process there is inevitably wastage and screwed up stuff. In addition, very cool bit, we actually now have, we got our first sample cover that is all complete, and it looks freaking awesome. James and I are both totally stoked at this. It's gorgeous, so very happy with that. The signing is now done, kaput, fini. As am I at this point. I'm pretty well wasted and burned out with this. So it's nearing 7 p.m. on day 3. I'm going to go back to the hotel. We're going to get a nice dinner with definitely some sort of adult beverage. And then I head home tomorrow. And hopefully not much longer, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I hope. We will be shipping all the books out. So we will go ahead and close this out with a time lapse of 5.5 hours of me signing about 2,500 sheets. So enjoy.